love and light, y'all. As you can see, I done pulled out the grain mill, about to mill some flour for something. Stick around and watch what we're gonna make today. All right, today I am going to make cookies from whole grains, but I'm working with a new grain today, y'all. I'm working with barley. I have never baked anything with barley. So what I'm going to be making is some chocolate chip barley cookies, and it's from the book that I've been working with, because you know, as I continue to learn how to use these grains, I'm just going to be baking different things, and I'm looking forward to this. Okay, so in here, okay, because I got my book right here. What do I need? Okay, 3 cups of milled barley flour. So we're going to get to going. I'm going to turn this mill on, and we're going to mill these grains. All right, now, these recipes in here, she has by weight, and she's using, instead of grams, she's using milliliters. So let me weigh this flour out to make sure I got the correct amount of milliliters. Okay, you guys, I have the scale in the bowl. Let me turn this on. Okay, there we go. All right, now I'm going to have, I don't know why she did this in milliliters. I got to get 750 milliliters of flour. Okay. Wait a minute, this is not right. Something, wait a minute. I got to start over. The scale is off. Okay. Okay, now tear. All right, there we go. Let's see. It's 500, almost there, almost there. There we go, 750. All right. Put this over here. Clean up my mess right here. All right. Let me move this out the way because I'm done with it. So we'll move it. What did I do with that? Oh well, I'll find it later. Okay, we have our flour. And we have all our other ingredients all weighed out. So I'm going to move all the stuff off the table. Move the scale. Put it back where it belongs. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all set up over on this side. And I'm going to bring you guys over here with me. All right. All right, you guys. We're going to cream together. Wait, let me get a spatula. Okay, we got softened butter. We have 3/4 cup of softened butter. But she has, like I said, she did milliliters. So it's actually 175 milliliters of softened butter. Get all that in there. All right, and then after, wait, let me get this. Let me bring this over here because I'm going to need this. All right, after that, we got our sugars. We have, as far as the sugar is concerned, we have 1 cup of dark evaporated cane sugar and 1/4 light evaporated cane sugar. It's our sugar. Okay, get that in there. And then next we have 2 eggs. Well, I'm using flax gel eggs. Did I do a video show y'all how to do it? No, I have that coming up. That's what it is. I have 2 flax gel eggs. Oh shoot, didn't get all my sugar. All right. Then I have, let's see. And then I had, with the sugar, I had 250 milliliters of dark evaporated cane sugar and 60 milliliters of light evaporated cane sugar. Then I had the 2 eggs. Now I have 1 teaspoon, which is 5 milliliters of vanilla. And, let's see. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna beat this. Okay. We're gonna start on low. Start on low. Get this all creamed up. You scrape down the sides a little bit. Not really much there, but you know. Okay. You move this over. Okay, now we gotta do our dry mixture, but I'm gonna add my baking powder, my baking soda, and my salt to it. Okay, that's right here. All right. Whisk that in here right quick. And I had, okay, as far as the baking soda and the baking powder, we had 3/4 teaspoons or 3 milliliters of baking powder. Then we had 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda or 1 milliliter. We had 1 teaspoon of salt or 5 milliliters. Okay. Then we're going to mix this all up. And then we're going to start adding this 1 cup at a time. Okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah, 1 cup at a time. Okay, wait. Let me get my guard because I don't want flour flying everywhere. Okay, now I got my guard on and we can start adding our flour. Okay, now we're going to start adding our chocolate chips. Okay, it says fold them in, so that means okay. I don't think her recipe was right with the milliliters because this dough is really stiff. Shouldn't be this stiff. I wonder if the milliliters meant grams. Okay. But anyway, we're going to get it together. Well, I guess, no, that's her book because she knew what she was doing. So, anyway. All right, now. Hold on, y'all. I got to move some stuff. Okay, you guys. I almost forgot to preheat the oven. I had to preheat the oven. Now I'm going to put the cookies on the cookie sheets. I'm going to push them down just a bit. All right, the oven is heated. Did y'all hear that? Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven, and they said heat, do one sheet at a time. So I'm gonna put this in, and then I'm gonna come back when they're all done. And they bake from anywhere from 12 to 14 minutes. Okay, when all the cookies are done, I'm gonna come back. Okay, you guys, here are our Barley chocolate chip cookies. And they taste pretty good. I tasted one when I took the first batch out. Okay, they taste pretty good. You know, so will I make them again? Yes, but I won't do it with the milliliters like she had. I would just do it with the cups and the spoons and all that kind of stuff. Now, it's okay when you do it with grams because grams is a little bit more accurate, but I won't do no more milliliters. I'll just follow with teaspoons and tablespoons and cups and all that kind of stuff. Okay, now, if this is the first time you ever watch any of my videos, I'm going to ask you to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so when I put up content, you'll get your notification. Share, like, and leave a comment. Leave a comment, okay? So, yes, Barley chocolate chip cookies, y'all. Give it a try if you've never tried it before. You can get, if you can find barley flour, then give it a try because I know most people don't have a mill. But if you can find barley flour, give it a try, okay? So, you guys, I'm going to say have a great rest of the day, afternoon, and evening. And with that, I'm going to say peace, love, and light.